Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Our latest tutorial explains how to quickly number rows in Excel. If you're interested in learning more, please keep watching. There are multiple options available for numbering rows in Excel. We are about to discuss a super fast and straightforward solution to the problem. To begin, we should fill the first two rows with the numbers 1 and 2 to start the numbering. To number multiple rows, select two cells to highlight them, then click and hold the left mouse button on the bottom right corner of the selection. Drag through all the rows that need to be numbered, just like this. This is an effective method for quickly numbering multiple rows simultaneously. Occasionally, the table can contain an excessive number of rows. When you find yourself in this situation, here is a helpful tip that may help you. Let's revert the modifications and explore an alternative simple and fast approach. To begin, type the numbers 1 and 2 in the first two rows, and this step remains unchanged. To complete the next step, you do not need to drag the corner of the cell down through all the rows. Instead, you can simply double-click and the action will be completed. This feature will number each row containing data, regardless of how many rows are in the table. This technique only works with rows that contain data. It will not work with rows that are empty. Let's explore the potential implications of having a blank row in the data table. To demonstrate, we will use the Undo button to remove the word August from this row, leaving the row blank. Let's try our trick one more time, but the empty row prevented us from numbering it. If you are looking to utilize this useful method, it is essential to ensure your data table does not have any empty rows. To eliminate a blank row, simply delete it from your document. You can learn the process of removing blank rows in Excel by watching the video tutorial provided by Sheet Leveler. The description below includes a link to these videos. Overall, it is always best to use the traditional method of selecting and dragging, which will include any empty rows in the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.